Freak out. Let's unravel the phrase. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting English phrase that you might have come across in conversations, movies, or songs. It's freak out. Ever wondered what it means and how to use it? Stick around to find out. Freak out is a colloquial phrase in English, primarily used to describe someone who is very excited, scared, angry, or emotionally overwhelmed. It can be both negative and positive based on the context. Imagine suddenly seeing your favorite celebrity in a coffee shop, or getting frightened by a sudden loud noise. Those reactions can be described using freak out. 1. When she saw the spider on her bed, she freaked out. 2. In this example, the person got very scared because of the spider. 3. He freaked out when he realized he won the lottery. 4. Here, the excitement and surprise of winning led to the reaction. 5. Please don't freak out, but I think I lost your book. 6. The speaker is anticipating an angry or upset reaction from the listener. Like many English phrases, freak out can be used in various forms. 1. Freaking out, present continuous. Why are you freaking out? It's just a small scratch on the car. 2. Freaked out, past tense or adjective. She freaked out yesterday. Or, he looked so freaked out after watching the horror movie. 1. Context is key. The meaning of freak out can change depending on the situation. Always pay attention to the context. 2. Common in informal settings. Freak out is mostly used in informal conversations. While it's great for chatting with friends, it might not be suitable for very formal situations. 3. Facial expressions. When saying someone freaked out, you can amplify the meaning with appropriate facial expressions. For instance, widen your eyes for surprise, or look scared if referring to fear. And there we have it. Hopefully, the next time you hear or want to use the phrase, freak out, you'll be completely confident in its meaning and usage. Remember, language is all about practice. So, try using freak out in your conversations and see the reactions you get. Happy learning and see you in the next video.